Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Hi.
It's just the stop signs, like 6
I'm sorry, the car scared me when he was running, coming out.
Okay,
I got scared.
I get you. It was like, well, every single one of them, girl.
I ran through every stop sign.
Every single one.
3 in the morning, Miami. She ran every stop sign on the block. The officer noticed. So did his nose. No driver's license, boyfriend's car, and a smell of marijuana strong enough to establish probable cause. In Florida, the odor of marijuana alone is sufficient probable cause to search a vehicle. She said nothing was in the car. Officers found pills, then half a pound of cannabis, then cocaine.
I did?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Girl, you gotta stop. You got a driver's license?
I have my ID on me.
Okay. Does that mean you don't have a driver's license?
Hi.
Ma'am?
Oh, sorry.
Does that mean you don't have a driver's license?
Okay. I have an ID
Okay.
right now. Let me call my boyfriend because he's real scared.
You're scared?
Just a little bit, because you guys scared me. I didn't even know you guys were behind me. I don't have my ID either.
Do you own the vehicle?
It's my boyfriend's car.
Okay.
There's nothing in the car, sir. If you're looking for
he's
something.
just looking, that's all.
No, I'm saying, like, I didn't want you guys to think you guys. I'll put your lights on up there.
1092.
My boyfriend's not answering that.
Okay, well, we don't need to talk to your boyfriend.
No, I need to.
And when was the last time you smoked in the car?
No, one time.
When was the last time you smoked in the car?
Huh?
When was the last time you smoked in the car?
I just woke up.
Okay, that just answered my question. I can smell the weed, and I'm not worried about it.
That was long, like hours ago. I just woke up.
Okay, so you just woke up.
Yes, and then I went to the store.
Okay.
I just woke up. Okay. I didn't even smoke weed.
Why are you so high-strung right now?
Huh?
Why are you so, like...
Because you guys are scaring me. You guys, I have bad encounter with the police. Gordon, I literally have a case with him.
Okay. Before you crossed over Dixie, where were you?
Oh, I was on H.
And doing what?
My friend is right there.
Who?
Why?
Because I don't believe you.
No, sir, I can call him right now.
I know, just tell me his name.
Junior.
And he lives where?
On H Street.
H and what?
A?
H and A? 10th and H?
I don't know the street numbers.
You told me you were coming from the store a minute ago, that's why
Yeah, I know, but no, I stopped. Okay. I went to the store on the other side, and then I came through H, and then stopped there, then came through it.
Okay, so I'm going to be completely honest with you. Usually when somebody's acting this nervous, they're trying to hide something from me.
No, I'm just nervous.
If it's marijuana that you're worried about, I don't care. But I haven't been doing this since yesterday.
I know,
and usually
but
when I
no,
pull
that's not what I'm worried about.
Spam calling people and they're telling me that they're nervous and they're talking really
I talk like this anyway.
Okay.
You can ask anybody I've dealt with.
I can tell visibly that you're very nervous, and that makes me believe you might be trying to hide something.
Okay. I don't know. I'm nervous because my boyfriend's not answering.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's 3 in the morning, so. What did Gordon arrest you for?
He's driving somebody else's car, and he had hundreds in the car. The dude told him they were his, and he still blamed me for it. So, I don't know.
Step over. Alright, step out for me.
What?
Step out.
Oh, no. Can I have a supervisor, please?
Nope. Step out of the car.
Oh, no. I need a supervisor.
And if you don't step out of the car, we're going to remove you from the vehicle.
But I need a supervisor, because I don't understand.
We'll get you a supervisor, but right now...
I need a supervisor now, because I've already been roughed up, or a female officer at least.
Ma'am, I'm not going to touch you.
But that's what Gordon said, and I've been beat up.
I'm not going to touch you. Listen to me. I don't want to take you to jail, okay?
I don't want to go to jail either.
If you step out of the vehicle, you're not going to go to jail. Okay? I'm not going to touch you, but I believe there's something inside of the vehicle. So I'm going to search it, and I have probable cause to do so. Okay, you want to meet with the supervisor after that?
Keondra, just step back here with me. Just open the door. Just step back here with me. He's not going to touch you. He's not going to remove you from the car. Anything like that.
I know, but can I just have another officer? Because I've been. It's not you guys.
Listen, we don't have a female officer.
Okay, can I have a supervisor?
We'll get you a supervisor.
For somebody.
Right now, you need to listen to what I'm saying.
I know, but you guys don't understand. I've already been.
Keondra, this isn't an option, Keondra. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you.
Okay, but I want a supervisor before I get out.
No, that's not how this goes, Keondra. I'm a police officer, and I'm telling you to exit from the vehicle. You need to exit from the vehicle right now.
This is crazy.
Keondra,
I'm just scared.
Keondra, I'm going to tell you this one more time.
There's no reason to
I'm giving you...
How? If you guys just came out of nowhere.
Keondra.
Okay, my boyfriend's calling. I'll feel better. That's
Keondra,
okay.
I'm giving you a lawful command to exit from the vehicle.
Listen, I've been calling you. Why you haven't been answering?
Just step back here.
You didn't always do it.
Kevin, stand right
Can
here.
you please come? I'm right here.
No, he is not. He is not. Come over.
Why? I don't know what's happening. I was driving, okay? Can you please hurry up? I'm scared of it.
cannot come over.
And he's looking for stuff like I did something. Like, you guys, I didn't beat up by you guys. That's it. It just happened the last time. That's why I'm like this.
Keondra, you got arrested for possession of Xanax, right?
No, yes, but it wasn't mine.
What are all these pills?
This is not my car. This always happens.
So
They always find
your boyfriend carry a purse?
a purse.
Yeah.
No,
He doesn't carry a purse?
but no.
Okay. These were inside of a purse.
What purse?
The purse in the car.
Okay, one of them is mine. But I don't. It's a little.
Oh, I wonder why I smelled weed.
I don't know. This is not my car. I just got up and drove.
Yes, it's going to be at 10:15. She has about half a pound of weed. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God, this is not my car. What am I getting arrested for?
For trafficking. Cocaine.
Trafficking? What? What do you mean trafficking? What are you talking about?
McNugget, don't move from that car.
Wait, what are you talking about? No. What do you mean?
Somebody get her in a cage car.
Excuse me.
I
Sir,
just told you.
I'm being...
You're going to talk to the
But I'm
sergeant.
compliant.
You want to see? That's what crowds look like.
What is that? Sir, this is not... You know, that's not mine. What is... I just woke up to drive it, sir. I didn't even know this is...
What?
Excuse me. Sir.
Yo, can one of you guys stand on the street and make sure her boyfriend doesn't come by here? Because allegedly he was on his way. Where's her phone at? Where's her phone? Somebody grab her phone right now. I'm writing on it.
You don't want it to die?
No, I don't want it to die. I want it off. I'm going to write a search warrant for it.
You can stay right there. You take another step, you're going to jail.
Yeah, I know. That's what you want me to do. Ha ha, bitch ass.
What?
That cracker. Huh?
What happened?
Nah, bro, cause he just one of them asshole ass police officers, you know, just think, oh, you taking one more step, I'm a shit. Come on, just bullshit. Bitch, if I was
but listen,
crazy,
I'll keep it
but
on
listen,
with you.
if I was dumb or crazy, nigga would have been like, I'm not dumb or crazy.
So what are you trying to accomplish?
Wait, no, I'm not trying to accomplish nothing. That's my mom's car. That's my girlfriend.
All right, so
anybody, just like if he had a daughter or a wife, anybody, nigga, you would have came on the scene and see what's going on.
So I'll tell you what's
They
going on.
saying she got cocaine. That is not hers.
Whose is it?
Nigga, that's mine.
It's yours.
That's mine.
And you're going to confess to having the
I'm confessed to having the cocaine.
It's not my car. She said it more than once. Under Florida law, that is not a defense to possession. Constructive possession. You do not need to own the drugs. You need to be in control of the space where they are found. She was in the driver's seat. Cannabis over 25 grams is a felony in Florida. Half a pound is 226 grams. Florida Statute 893.13 treats that quantity as intent to sell. The cocaine changed the charge entirely. Florida Statute 893.135, trafficking cocaine between 28 and 200 grams. Mandatory minimum 3 years and $50,000 per count. Her boyfriend showed up while the arrest was in progress and made a decision that almost never happens on bodycam. He confessed, voluntarily, on camera. The cocaine was his. He wanted officers to take him instead. That confession does not erase her constructive possession. She was the driver. The drugs were in the vehicle she controlled. A voluntary third-party confession is evidence for a jury at trial. It does not reverse an arrest. It does not transfer the charge. The boyfriend described where the drugs came from and who placed them. Every word is on bodycam. The state attorney has all of it.
Where was it in the car?
It was, the weed was in the gut department. I think the shit was in her purse.
So where did you put the cocaine?
Yeah. I think I left it in her purse, bro.
It wasn't in her purse.
But no. I don't know if she put it somewhere.
All right, so I'll tell you what, bro. Look, this is what I'll do.
Bro,
Give
bro.
one of my partners here your information.
No,
That's
can
not,
you switch her out?
I can't.
Bitch?
I can't do it like that.
How? Put me in here.
Listen,
I'm telling you it's mine, bro. I'm telling you, I knew it all was in there. It's all broke down in little pieces. It's mine, bro.
I appreciate that you're trying to.
Bro, I'm telling y'all some real shit.
But I can't just go off of that.
I'm telling you what the weed was. You found some weed in the gut department. You found. She just went to the store, bro.
Give somebody your information, right? And I'll let the state attorney decide.
What?
Yes,
that's
how
some dumbass shit. If I'm telling you I don't want that shot this nigga, you gonna tell me, oh, we got a suspect in the car, so we can't arrest you on that.
No.
I'm telling you I did the crime, dumbass nigga.
He's standing over him holding the gun, and that's basically what she was doing here.
What?
She was in the car with the stuff. It wasn't where you.
Cause she went to the store.
I'm sorry, man.
She didn't know nothing about it. It's not her car. How can you charge somebody with somebody that don't know nothing about this shit?
It's 6 minutes. It's only 6 minutes.
That's stupid.
All right. Have a good night, sir. You know what? We'll take them both. Hold on, we'll take them both.
I swear, you pull her?
Yeah.
2 seconds before you pull her, I just called her. I just woke up my way. Yeah.
So if I track back the camera, she ain't gonna be leaving 9th and G?
She was leaving 9th and G?
I'm asking you, will she be leaving?
Well, she
I'll
didn't
tell you
tell me that, bro.
where'd she tell you she was coming from?
The store.
What store?
That
Because her ass
store.
pulled out of 10th Avenue South and H Street. She said she was at her friend's house, some dude. Junior or something?
This shit is crazy, bro. This is my first time hearing that. He said she was coming from the store.
There ain't no fucking store on 10th Avenue South.
That's what I was saying. I'm like, what the f*** you waiting on here at the motherfucker?
The officer's decision, I'm taking both. Keondra was charged with trafficking cocaine between 28 and 200 grams possession of oxycodone, resisting an officer without violence, and possession of cannabis with intent to sell. Before the plea hearing, the state dropped the cannabis intent charge. On September 11th, Keondra pled not guilty to the 3 remaining counts. Case still open. Next court date, May 19th, 2026. Trafficking cocaine is a first-degree felony in Florida. Maximum 30 years. Mandatory minimum 3 years. The judge cannot go below that without a motion from the state. The officers get an A. Lawful stop, probable cause from odor legal search patient and professional throughout. Every decision documented on camera holds up. Under Graham versus Connor, officer decisions are evaluated on what they knew in the moment, not in hindsight. This stop, this search, this arrest, defensible. Keondra gets a D. Being in the driver's seat of a vehicle containing cocaine, oxycodone, and nearly half a pound of cannabis gives the state everything it needs for constructive possession. She had the right to remain silent. She declined that right for the entire encounter. Everything she said is now in the record. The boyfriend gets a C. His instinct was right. His execution was a problem. A voluntary on-camera cocaine confession will follow both of them through every court proceeding. The lesson being in a vehicle is not the same as being innocent of what is inside it. Ignorance is a defense, but it must be proven, not assumed. Subscribe for more bodycam analysis. What do you think should happen to Keondra? Drop it in the comments.
Keondra was charged with trafficking and